Most beginners think the hardest part is making money online. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Fiverr in 2026, the hardest part is not money. It is getting your first gig to actually get seen. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is creating a random gig without strategy and expecting buyers to magically find you. In this video, you will learn exactly how to set up your first Fiverr gig in 2026, how to get your first order faster, and what beginners must do to actually start earning. Let's start from the beginning. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you offer services called gigs. A buyer searches for something like logo design or video editing, and Fiverr shows them results. A beginner like Alex creates a gig, but if it is not optimized, it stays invisible. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Fiverr does not show every gig equally. It ranks gigs based on relevance, clicks, and early performance. But here's the problem most beginners face. They copy other gigs, use generic titles, and never stand out in search results. So let's fix that step by step. First, choose one simple skill. Not 10. Just one. For example, Jake decides to start with YouTube thumbnail design. The more specific your gig, the easier it is to rank. Second, create a clear gig title. Instead of saying, I will do graphic design, say, I will design high click-through YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. This matches real search intent. Third, your gig description matters a lot. Explain exactly what the buyer will get. Keep it simple, clear, and focused on results, not just skills. Now let's talk about pricing. In 2026, beginners should start low to attract first buyers. Your goal is not profit at the start. Your goal is reviews. Reviews build trust, and trust brings higher paying clients later. In a minute, here is what most beginners miss. Fiverr success is not about one perfect gig. It is about visibility. That means your gig must be searchable, clickable, and competitive. Fourth, use strong keywords in your gig title and tags. Think like a buyer. What would someone type when they need your service? Fifth, deliver fast and communicate clearly. A beginner like John, who responds quickly, often gets better reviews and repeat orders. Now, let's be honest about expectations. You may not get orders in your first few days. That is normal. Fiverr is competitive, and early traction takes time. But small improvements in your gig can change everything. So what actually leads to your first gig sale? It is a combination of niche selection, clear titles, optimized descriptions, and patience. Once Fiverr notices engagement on your gig, it starts pushing it to more buyers. To summarize, making money on Fiverr in 2026 is absolutely possible for beginners, but only if you treat it like a skill-building process. Focus on one service, optimize your gig, and stay consistent long enough to get traction. If this helped you understand how to get your first Fiverr gig, like the video, comment what skill you are starting with, and subscribe for more real-world, online earning guides that actually work.